Hello guys, welcome. So today is not about the strategy, it's just going to be about a talk to beginner traders and to those that haven't find their profitable yet in this forex industry. Okay, and this video again is not about mentorship or a paying for signal or something that include you paying for any damn thing. So this is all what the video is all about. Okay, so if you're a beginner or you are a trader that haven't find your profitable yet, okay, so I want to start a challenge which is going to be today. I'm going to start a challenge on this Deriv index, and I'm going to be trading both the forex asset and volatility, crash, all type of forex indices, so which I'm going to be trading it in this challenge. Okay, so this challenge is for every trader that are beginners and that is not yet profitable. Okay, so I'll be beginning the channel with the aim of turning 10,000 to 100,000. So I've already deposited that 10,000 right here, which you guys can see, and you can see there was no trade on the account yet. So I was aiming to grow this account to 100,000. Okay, so that is the aim. So if you're a trader that you wish to go along with me on this challenge and you are interested, you can just join my WhatsApp group. Okay, so it's absolutely for free. You are not going to be paying any damn thing, and no one is going to be asking you to pay for any single dollar. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping my setup. So the trade that I took, I'm going to be dropping everything on the WhatsApp group, and I'm going to be showing you guys all the trade that I'm going to be trading, that I'm going to be trading with this account. Okay, so that is why I created this video. Okay, so if you have $10 on your account, $20, $30, $50, minimum of $10 on your account, any amount that you have, you can just start with the challenge. If you have that $5, you can also join the challenge. If you have any amount, you can join. Okay, so it's absolutely going to be free for every individual. Okay, and the other thing is that if you have an account that you forgot the details or don't have an account yet, you can just use the link in the description down below to create your account. Okay, so if you create your account, it's going to help you out to, and it's become a lot more easier for you to just navigate through every step if you use the link in the description down below. Okay, so that is that, guys. So if you're interested, the link is going to be in the description down below, so you can join. It's a WhatsApp group which you can join for free. You're not going to be paying for any single thing. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I think that is all. I'll see you and challenge.